Hello everyone, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time it is, wherever you are. Here in the UK, it's still morning, so good morning, good morning. It's Jing here. Now, today, I'm going to water my orchids. If you can see, my orchid here is not happy. Can you see that leaves there? It's droopy. That normally tells us that they need water now, and it's turning a bit yellow as well. I don't know, I think it's could be too much sun. Put it near the window, so I hope it will still survive. And I just noticed that, yeah, this leaf should be hard and firm, like sturdy, but now it's like soft and it's drooping. So that's the sign that orchid here is not happy. So we'll give this orchid a drink. So normally I use an orchid food, but it can be very expensive, and so instead of an orchid food, I have an alternative food for the orchid. I made an orchid food out of banana and some orange. I don't know why I include the orange in there, but I thought I just include it there. So banana peelings will do. Yeah. What you're gonna need, ladies and gentlemen, is an empty, banana peelings, like that. So do not throw that away, that banana. Just put the orchid away. So after you eat your banana, keep it. This is a very good source of orchid food, but you have to put it in soak it in a jug, any empty bottle. I have an empty bottle, coffee bottle there. So we're gonna take that out so you can see. Now I've got an empty bottle here, and I'm gonna put some water in it. Okay. You can put like a half, no, more than a half full of water. And then if you have those banana peelings, you can either chop it or any, I'll do it, just soak it in there, put it inside there. And you have some more banana peelings, whatever, how much, it's up to you how many banana peelings you're gonna put in there. Yeah, the more the better. Now, because they will get the energy, like the sweetness from the banana, that's where they get their food. So I'll just have to leave that for 1 day or 2 days. So next day, tomorrow, I can use this liquid, this water, banana solution, orchid food, just like that. Now I have here from a few days ago, so you can see this one. I include orange peelings in there. Oh, it just gives, I like the smell of the orange, like citrusy. And banana is there, as you can see, that black, it turned black because of it's exposed to the air and oxygen, so it's called oxidation. There you go, it oxidized. Now here we go. I made my orchid. Let's put it in here. Another empty bowl. I don't know if you can see. Let's adjust the camera so you can see my orchid. There, that's my orchid. Now what we're gonna do is just pour this improvised solution, banana and orange solution. This would be my orchid food, and You will be amazed that my orchid is I've been using this for 1 year now. Same. So I didn't buy any orchid food, so save money. Yeah. Because especially if we need, yeah, a bit tight in budget, so this is a very good alternative. And as you can see, my orchids still flowering, keeps flowering. Yeah, non-stop flower there, just with my banana solution. That's their food. Now that's all in it. Then I have to soak that for 10 minutes. Just leave it there, at least 10-30 minutes. Then I'm gonna refill this one. That will be for tomorrow. Yeah. There. There we go. And then we're gonna leave that for, so I have 2 bottles of orchid food for more orchids. Okay. Oh, actually I have another one here. Let's soak that. Let's put some more there. Oh, couldn't seem to open it. This one doesn't have an orange peeling. Walang orange, walang panit sa orange ito. But this is just pure banana, all banana. Put all bananas in there. For a few days, the water still smells banana, but it's not as nice as the one with orange. I think the orange smell, the citrus smell, it gives it a bit of nice smell. Anyway, but the banana is very important. That gives the orchid food.
Just let it absorb the nutrients from the banana. Ladies and gentlemen, and I will refill that. I'm ready for the next one. Okay, so just it. I just set it in there. Little orchids in there. Right. So I'll just have to wait another 5 minutes in there, and I will be back. Now then, let's get back to our orchid. So I think it's more than 10 minutes. It's now 15 minutes or so. So I think this is now ready. So I just soak it in that bowl with banana solution. That's their orchid food. Now I think my orchid is now ready to be dried. So we have to let all that liquid, filter all that liquid, because we don't want it, because if it will remain at the bottom, that can cause the roots to rot. So we have to dry it properly. Now if I can just, now it's dry, it's not dripping anymore. That's it. Now next, we need another orchid that is also very, very thirsty. Yeah. This one isn't so bad. As you can see, its leaves is firm. It's not drooping. But we still have to water them. They need watering. So what I'm gonna do, use that. Gonna see it properly. A little bit like that. There. Go. Come on, orchids. My orchid. There. And I recycle that water. We use this from the other orchid, so we can just reuse it. So we just have to pour it there, gently. There. Other side. Use that. Cannot see it properly. A little bit like that. There. Go. Come on, orchids. My orchid. There. And I recycle that water. We use this from the other orchid, so we can just reuse it. So we just have to pour it there, gently. Other side.
Okay, so here's our orchid number 3. Here we go. It's looking happy. Now we're going to do the same procedure. We still use that solution with banana. Remember that one we used for our first and second orchid? So we still reuse this food, orchid food, out of banana, from banana skin. So here we go. We'll just have to pour it in there. Oh, you hear the like bubble sound? It means that the roots there's really dry and it wants to absorb a lot of water. So let's give this white orchid a proper drink. So to soak it all in there. And I don't want to overspill it. So I think that is almost full. There we go. And we just have to let it soak for 10 minutes. And that's it. That's how we make our orchid bloom or flower non-stop all year round using a banana skin solution. Put it into a jug of water and use it as an orchid food. So we don't need to buy any orchid food. So it's good for our pocket. You don't need to spend money to make your orchid blooming and happy. Have more flowers, non-stop flowers, again and again and again. So keep planting, stay happy, and thank you for watching. This is Ching from Ching's channel. Thank you, everyone. Please like and share. And don't forget to comment and subscribe if you are new to my channel. Thank you, and see you again on my next video. Bye!